Hello class 2, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So today in our EVS class we will start with chapter number 13, which is keeping oneself clean. How to keep ourselves clean and surroundings clean. Today we will learn that. Okay. We should keep ourselves and our surroundings clean. Why it is so? Cleanliness will keep us healthy and fit. Okay, that's the reason why we should keep ourselves clean and our surroundings as well. A clean body will be free from illness. Okay, you will not get sick if you keep your surroundings clean and yourself clean. Okay, keeping oneself clean. It is important to keep ourselves clean. A clean body is free from disease and germs. Okay, because if we keep our body clean, okay, it will wash away germs and disease. Okay, now we can keep ourselves clean by what are the things that you should do to keep ourselves clean? Taking bath regularly. Okay, washing your body every day. Brushing teeth. Okay, you should brush your teeth twice a day, one in the morning and next in the night before going to bed. Okay, next is shampooing hair regularly. Okay, wash your hair as well. All right, now washing hands regularly. Okay, before eating your food and after eating your food. And sometimes if you go outside, when you get in the house, first thing you do is wash your hand and feet. Okay, next is trimming nails. Okay, cut your nails like this. Okay, cut your nails. All right, next is washing clothes regularly. Okay, why? Because you also, the clothes that you wear, it can carry germs and disease if you don't wash your clothes regularly. All right, therefore we should keep ourselves clean, taking regular baths, washing hands before and after meals and after using the washroom as well. Okay, next is brushing our teeth twice a day, once in the morning when we wake up and once in the night before we go to bed. Okay, next is regularly trimming our nails so no dirt gets beneath the nails. All right, next is shampooing and combing our hair. Okay, comb your hair regularly and shampoo your hair. Okay, wearing clean clothes, always wear clean clothes, not dirty clothes, and washing them regularly. All right, now, keeping the house and surroundings clean. How to keep your house and surroundings clean? Like we keep ourselves clean, like we take bath regularly to keep ourselves clean, we must keep our house clean as well. Okay? To keep the house clean, we must dust, sweep, and mop. Okay, so here are the examples how you have to do. Alright, see, isn't it? They are throwing garbage in the dustbin, they are sweeping, they are mopping, they are cleaning the roof. Alright, so this is how you have to do. Okay, the dustbin should be placed in 2 or 3 places, not only one, 2 or 3 dustbins should be placed. Okay, according to need, such outside the kitchen, near the bathroom or living room area. These are the 3 main areas where you have to keep the dustbin. One is kitchen, bathroom and living room. All right, similarly when we go outside we should also keep our surroundings clean, not only our house, not only ourselves, as well as we should keep the surroundings clean as well. Okay, we should not litter. Okay, which means dirty. We should not litter or surround our surroundings and throw garbage in the dustbins. We should not write on public property, like writing on the wall. Okay, that is also not good. Or break anything because it does not belong to us. If there are things that are not belong to us as well, okay, we shouldn't destroy them. All right, that is not good. We should also keep our school clean. Yes, see, we should keep our school clean by keeping our house and our surrounding clean. We will have a clean environment and not get sick. Okay, we should keep our home and our school clean. See, isn't it? Throw rubbish in the dustbin, not right on the wall. See, okay. These are the things that you don't have, that you shouldn't do. Okay. So these are the things that you should do. Okay. And by throwing garbage on the road or garbage here and there everywhere, this should not be done. Okay. So go through this chapter, which is chapter number 13, keeping oneself clean. I will continue with the activity. Okay, till then, bye.